Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I'm going to show guys Lava mobile guys shortcut setting. And today video title is guys what is single hand mode setting and how to use on Lava mobile. Friends, you don't know about single hand mode setting, so how to use single hand mode on Lava mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Lava phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Lava mobile. So friends, click here assistant setting guys. After assistant setting friends, you can see 3-finger screenshot setting is on. Friends, you don't want to take 3-finger screenshot, you can off. And friends, you want to take a screenshot with 3 finger, so you can on and you can take 3-finger screenshot. And friends, if you off, so you cannot take 3-finger screenshot on Lava mobile. Friends, click here single hand mode setting, means one hand mode setting friends you want to use on your Lava mobile. So friends, how to use this, right and left side friends you can use. Click here friends, you want to use one hand mode setting from left side, so I swipe here left side and you can use your single hand mode setting on Lava mobile. And friends, you want to use Lava mobile single hand mode setting from right side, so friends touch here, touch the blank area to exit. Click here and guys swipe here right side and you can use guys your single hand mode setting from right side. So guys, we call single hand mode setting one hand mode setting, and you want to use, you want to enable, you can enable and you can use. And friends, you don't want to use Lava mobile single hand mode setting, so friends click here phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on Lava mobile. Friends, click here intelligent assistant setting. And friends, click here single hand mode setting and off your single hand mode setting, tap here. And friends, you cannot use your single hand mode setting on Lava mobile. Right side left side, right side left side we cannot use. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.